Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Like I said in my video earlier on Sunday, I got a ton of stuff at Walgreens this week. So this is my second haul at Walgreens where I talk about all the grocery deals. That being said, if you did not check out my first Walgreens haul, definitely do that because every deal I talk about in this video is different than the deals I talked about in that video, and there are some fantastic deals going on this week. I got a ton of stuff for free in that last video, so definitely check that one out. I will pin it down in the comment section below. In this one, I'm going to be telling you about some of the best grocery deals going on this week at Walgreens, as well as deals that you can use your Register Rewards and Walgreens Cash to pay for. As always, at the end of the video, I will show you pictures of items that I found on clearance while I was in the store. I also have another video coming out this Monday that you definitely want to check out because I am giving away 4 $100 gift cards, so you definitely want to check that video out. Let's talk about these deals, and I am terrified that when I pick something up, everything's gonna fall down. So let me tell you about the Digiorno pizza deal. Okay, so you want to grab 2 of these. Online, the price is $7.99. In store, my store had them for $1 more. They were $8.99, but they are buy one, get one free. So you decide if you want to grab them in store or online. I did it as a curbside pickup. That way I could get the $7.99 price, as well as use the coupon code GET10, which took off another 80 cents, making my final cost for both of these just $7.19 or $3.59 each. So awesome deal. Yes, you could pay with Register Rewards. Yes, you could pay with Walgreens Cash. Easy buy one, get one free deal at Walgreens. Now, if you place it as a curbside pickup, like I said, you can use that promo code GET10. But you also want to remember to go through Rakuten because Rakuten's going to give you up to 3% cash back, and that's just extra money that you don't want to let go. And if you are brand new to Rakuten and you use my link and you place an order that's $30 or more after coupon, so your out-of-pocket has to be at least $30, you're going to get $30 back in your Rakuten account. So amazing deal for brand new users. The next deal I want to talk about is on these chips. As you can see, I bought 6 bags of Lay's potato chips. So these bags, and these are the big ones. So these are the 7 3/4 ounce bags. They are $4.09 each, but they are buy one, get one free. So I grabbed 6 and I only paid for 3. I also used that coupon code GET10, which took off 83 cents. As well as used a digital coupon for $4 off 5, okay? So my total cost was $7.44 for all 6 bags, or just $1.24 per bag, which is cheaper than the grocery store, and you can use your Walgreens Cash, or you could use Register Rewards to pay for it, so great deal, nothing coming out of your bank account. So I moved some of those items to give myself a little bit more space, but I also wanted to show off my new shirt that my friend made for me, and I'm so excited. I love it when people give me something because then anytime I use it or wear it or whatever, it just reminds me of them, and it is so cute. I love it, love it, love it. I'm supposed to be on the news later this month, and I wanted something that had my logo on it. So I actually asked her if she would make it for me, and she said yes, which is amazing. And I will tell you guys, I'm not a news person. I don't like to be in the spotlight. It makes me crazy nervous. So I'm taking deep breaths, and I'm trying to be calm, and hopefully my words come out well, because when I'm on camera here, I can just stop and refilm if I say stupid stuff, but I'm not sure I'll be able to do the same thing on the news. So wish me luck with that. Okay, back to the deals. I may or may not love some Cheez-Its. So I grabbed 3 boxes of the Cheez-Its. They are on sale, 3 for $5. There is a $1 digital coupon. If you're placing as a curbside order, you can also use that code GET10, which is going to take another 40 cents off, making all 3 boxes $3.60 or just $1.20 per box. Now, I mentioned that $4 off 5 digital coupon for the Lay's. There was another coupon for the Pepsi Lay's products that was $2 off 3. I decided to grab some sodas because I wanted to show you a soda deal. And Mom, if you're watching, I'm pretty sure you love Pepsi, so I have you some Pepsi. These Pepsi sodas, and Mountain Dew was another one that counted for this as well. They are 3 for $8.58. You then use that $2 off 3 digital, as well as the code GET10. That's going to take off 66 cents, making your final cost $5.92 for all 3 6-packs, or $1.97 per 6-pack. I don't normally buy soda, but I feel like that's probably a pretty decent price, especially for the bottles. Now, you could use that coupon on the 12-pack of canned soda. My store just didn't have those, which is why I grabbed the bottles. Now, when I was in the store, I saw these soy protein drinks. They're called Soylent. They're a 4-pack. They were on clearance for $6.49. Now, my Checkout 51 app had a rebate for $3.13, kind of a random number, but I bought these at $6.49, got that $3.13 back on Checkout 51, making it just $3.36 for this. But double check if you use Swagbucks. I know some other people were mentioning they had a Swagbucks offer for like $10 back when you buy 2 of them. My app did not have that rebate, but if yours does, that might be an even better deal if you like those drinks. Okay, I know this isn't food, but these are a super simple deal. A lot of people are brand loyal to Tide. No coupons needed. These are just 4 for $8. So that means they're $2 a piece. And it included the Tide liquid, the Tide pods, the Bounce dryer sheets, and then like the Downy Unstoppables, like the scent beads. 4 for $8, $2 a piece. So super simple deal. If you want to grab that using your Walgreens cash or register rewards, you could totally do that. All right, a few more grocery deals. The Starkist tuna is 5 for $5. You could use $5 in Walgreens cash to pay for it with nothing out of pocket, or you could use a register reward. The rest of the deals I talk about, you can use Walgreens cash to pay for, or register rewards with the exception of one, and that's the nice shredded cheese. Now, I'm telling you about this because it's a decent price. They're 2 for $5, but dairy products like cheese are typically excluded from being able to use your Walgreens cash or register rewards to pay for, so you wouldn't be able to do that, but it's a decent price, so if you're looking to stock up on some cheese, 2 for $5 isn't bad. Okay, Pringles still on sale this month, 3 for $4. That Jif peanut butter is on sale all month, 2 for $5. The raisins, the Sunkist raisins this week are 2 for $4. I noticed some brownies were 2 for $2, so $1 a box. You could use your Walgreens cash. Great deal there. And Chex Mix, 2 for $4, so you could use $4 in Walgreens cash. Those were all of the deals that I did as far as grocery deals. Again, tons of amazing deals in my first video, so don't forget to check that out. Also, don't forget to check out the video I posted on Monday because there is a giveaway of 4 $100 gift cards, which means 4 people are gonna win a $100 gift card each, and that's super exciting, so definitely check out that video. Hope y'all have an amazing start to your week. Thanks.